Learn English too.
Gujarati.
Funny if sentences with
Jo.
welcome to the land of if. Hey, you are about to learn some gloriously dramatic English too.
Gujarati.
Sentences. These are the kind of sentences people use when life gets awkward, late, expensive, or unnecessarily theatrical. Today your mission is simple. Learn 5 powerful Gujarati if sentences and enjoy the chaos they create. We will practice regret, delay, missed help, wasted trips, and missing money. In Gujarati, the word
Jo.
often introduces the idea of if. Think of it as the tiny word that opens a giant door to imagination, excuses, and comedy. Sentence 1. More time, more trips. Let's begin with a sentence for dreamers, travelers, and people who open airline websites instead of working. English. If I had more time, I would travel more often. Gujarati.
જો મારી પાસે વધુ સમય હોત તો હું વધુ વાર મુસાફરી કરત.
Picture this. You are staring at your calendar. It is full of work, chores, and one mysterious box labeled, "Why did I agree to this?" You sigh and say,
જો મારી પાસે વધુ સમય હોત તો હું વધુ વાર મુસાફરી કરત.
Funny memory trick. Tap your wrist for.
સમય.
Then pretend to drag a suitcase for.
મુસાફરી.
Suddenly you are a very tired tourist. Mini drill. Say the key parts after me.
વધુ સમય.
More time.
વધુ વાર.
More often.
મુસાફરી.
Travel. Sentence 2. The late legend. Now let's study the sentence used in meetings, family events, and every group chat with one chronically late friend. English. If he came earlier, we could start. Gujarati.
જો તે વહેલો આવતો તો આપણે શરૂ કરી શકતા.
Imagine 10 people sitting politely. The snacks are ready. The projector is ready. Even the chair is emotionally ready. But one man is late again. Everyone whispers.
જો તે વહેલો આવતો તો આપણે શરૂ કરી શકતા.
Keyword spotlight.
વહેલો.
Means earlier or early.
શરૂ.
Means start. Comedic line. If he arrived any later, the meeting would become a historical documentary. Repeat the full sentence once more.
જો તે વહેલો આવતો તો આપણે શરૂ કરી શકતા.
Sentence 3. You should have asked. This one is useful when you are kind, generous, and just a little bit offended that nobody asked for your help. English. If you had asked me, I would have helped. Gujarati.
જો તમે મને પૂછ્યું હોત તો હું મદદ કરી હોત.
Scene. Your friend struggles alone with 6 boxes, a backpack, and somehow a plant. You watch in disbelief and say.
જો તમે મને પૂછ્યું હોત તો હું મદદ કરી હોત.
Keywords.
તમે.
Means you.
મને.
Means me, and.
મદદ.
Means help. Humor break. Some people would rather fight a wardrobe, 3 chairs, and a refrigerator than simply ask for help. Their back hurts, but their pride is thriving. Try it again with feeling.
જો તમે મને પૂછ્યું હોત તો હું મદદ કરી હોત.
Sentence 4. The trip we should not have taken. Excellent. Now we move into regret territory, where everyone says, well, this was a terrible idea. English. If we had known it, we would not have come. Gujarati.
જો અમને એ ખબર હોત તો અમે આવ્યા ન હોત.
Imagine you travel across town for an event. You arrive. The door is closed. A sign says, cancelled yesterday. Your whole group freezes like statues and says.
જો અમને એ ખબર હોત તો અમે આવ્યા ન હોત.
Keyword spotlight.
ખબર.
Means knowledge or knowing, and.
આવ્યા ન હોત.
Means would not have come. Funny image. You are wearing formal clothes, holding a gift, standing at the wrong wedding. Yes, this sentence suddenly becomes very useful. Sentence 5. Work first, wallet later. Our last sentence is for budgets, regret, and the shocking discovery that naps do not pay salaries. English. If she had worked, she would have had more money. Gujarati.
જો તેણીએ કામ કર્યું હોત તો તેણીને વધુ પૈસા મળ્યા હોત.
Picture someone opening an empty wallet and looking personally betrayed by economics. The truth arrives.
જો તેણીએ કામ કર્યું હોત તો તેણીને વધુ પૈસા મળ્યા હોત.
Keywords.
काम,
Means work.
વધુ,
Means more, and
પૈસા,
means money. Comedy truth. She took a day off, then expected coins to fall from the ceiling like a game show. Sadly, the ceiling remained loyal to reality. Quick pattern hunt. Now let's make your brain feel clever. You are going to notice the pattern behind all 5 sentences. In all these examples, the idea is unreal, imagined, or contrary to what really happened. Listen for the repeating structure with
જો,
at the start. That is your if. Also listen for forms like
હોત,
it often helps create the feeling of an unreal or hypothetical past or condition. Example review.
જો મારી પાસે વધુ સમય હોત,
If I had more time. Example review.
જો તમે મને પૂછ્યું હોત,
If you had asked me. Example review.
જો અમને એ ખબર હોત,
If we had known it. Funny dialogue drill. Time for a mini audio play. You listen, imagine the scene, and repeat the Gujarati lines. Dialogue 1. A. Why don't you travel more? B.
જો મારી પાસે વધુ સમય હોત, તો હું વધુ વાર મુસાફરી કરત.
Dialogue 2. A. Why are we all still waiting? B.
જો તે વહેલો આવતો, તો આપણે શરૂ કરી શકતા.
Dialogue 3. A. I carried everything alone. B.
જો તમે મને પૂછ્યું હોત, તો હું મદદ કરી હોત.
Dialogue 4. A. Why are you all annoyed? B.
જો અમને એ ખબર હોત, તો અમે આવ્યા ન હોત.
Dialogue 5. A. Why is her wallet so empty? B.
જો તેણીએ કામ કર્યું હોત, તો તેણીને વધુ પૈસા મળ્યા હોત.
Quiz time, no panic. You are doing great. Answer in your head, out loud, or with dramatic confidence like a quiz champion. How do you say, if I had more time, I would travel more often?
જો મારી પાસે વધુ સમય હોત, તો હું વધુ વાર મુસાફરી કરત.
How do you say, if he came earlier, we could start?
જો તે વહેલો આવતો, તો આપણે શરૂ કરી શકતા.
How do you say, if you had asked me, I would have helped?
જો તમે મને પૂછ્યું હોત, તો હું મદદ કરી હોત.
How do you say, if we had known it, we would not have come?
જો અમને એ ખબર હોત, તો અમે આવ્યા ન હોત.
How do you say, if she had worked, she would have had more money?
જો તેણીએ કામ કર્યું હોત, તો તેણીને વધુ પૈસા મળ્યા હોત.
Your challenge today. Here comes your final challenge. You are no longer just listening. You are building real speaking power. Say each Gujarati sentence once slowly. Then once naturally. Then once as if you are starring in a very emotional movie. Try changing the emotion each time: dreamy for travel, annoyed for lateness, kind for helping, frustrated for the wasted trip, and regretful for the money sentence. If you want an extra challenge, start each one with confidence the moment you hear the English cue. And yes, you are allowed to use exaggerated acting. In fact, I strongly recommend it. Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just practiced 5 strong English too.
Gujarati.
Conditional sentences that sound smart, natural, and wonderfully dramatic. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these sentences out loud, repeat them during walks, and use them in your own funny examples. The more you say
જો,
sentences, the more natural Gujarati will feel. See you next time, and keep practicing. You are doing great.